Okay, let's look at the next example. The current in an AC circuit is given by the expression here. First, sketch an IT graph for the AC circuit. Next, determine the current when t is equal to 50 seconds. Okay, so we are given an expression here. Okay, and if you notice here, we are given the unit for I, mA. So it is milliampere. So apabila kita masukkan dalam calculation nanti, we need to consider this milli. Okay, first, how do we sketch a graph of currents against time? Okay, so in order to sketch a graph, kita kena tahu graph kita start daripada mana. Adakah start daripada kosong, maximum value ataupun minimum value. Okay, so how do we know if whether our graph starts from 0 or maximum or minimum? So in order to find that out, since this one adalah IT, right? Current against time. So we need to find what is I when t is equal to 0 seconds. So how do we find this? You just substitute the value for t into the original expression. So here just masukkan sin 50 pi, masukkan t, substitute t. So from here you will get that 25 exponent negative 3 sin 0. So your calculator in radian mode, bila kamu tekan sin 0 will be equal to 0. So maksudnya dekat sini current adalah sama dengan kosong. So apabila t sama dengan kosong, current pun akan sama dengan kosong. Meaning that our graph will start from 0. So just lukis paksi. So here we have I, and then since kita punya unit adalah milliampere, so letak milliampere, and then t is just second. And then we have peak value. Peak value kita adalah 25. Negative 25. So our graph will start from 0. So start pada kosong, naik ke atas. Sorry, nak cantik. Start pada kosong, naik pergi atas. Okay, and then you just sketch one complete cycle sahaja. Okay, mau lukis dua pun boleh. So this will be the value for the t. Okay, so our graph will start from 0 because when t is equal to 0, I adalah sama dengan kosong. So macam tu saja. Yang penting kamu kena label the paksi and then masukkan unit untuk maximum value here. And then dekat sini, okay, I think you need to write what is the value for t. So kamu kena carilah dulu what is the period. Omega adalah 50 pi radian per second. So t will be 2 pi divided by 50 pi. So you will get 0.04 second. So here 0.04, 0.02. Okay, next one, determine the current when t is equal to 50 seconds. Okay, so next one is just a calculation. We want to find what is I when t is 50 seconds. So you just substitute the value for t. And then you just tekanlah calculator. Apabila kamu tekan calculator, you will get it is equal to 0. So when t is equal to 50 seconds, I will be equal to 0 ampere.